Pick up a piece of yarn. Make a half turn or so while pinching the yarn so the yarn naturally crosses over itself. Grab the end yarn and pull it partially inside the loop. Pull the loop with your left hand and hold the working yarn and end of yarn with your right hand. Let's demonstrate again. Pick up a piece of yarn. Twist your fingers counterclockwise to cross the yarn and form a loop. Put your 2 fingers inside the loop and grab the end of yarn. Pull it partially inside the loop. Set your hook inside the loop and pull the yarn. Take the end of the yarn. First go around your pinky, then go around the index finger. Pinch piece with middle finger and thumb. This completes the slip knot part. Thank you for watching.